Today lecture topic of final account in problems. Problem is from the following trial balance of Mr. Ram. Prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended on 31st March 2012 and the balance sheet on the date. It is problem. This problem. This based the prepare a final account. Three statements. One is trading account. Second one is profit and loss account. Third one is balance sheet. In these three statements, all items this problem enter that three statements. First is prepare a trading account. This first start the opening stock. This format is trading account, two sides. One side debit, another side credit. Debit side trading account of Ram for the year ended 31st March 2012. It is a format. First we start the debit side. Two opening stock 5,000. Next purchases. Two purchases. Any purchase returns less in this purchase. This problem is no purchase returns. Next discount allowed. It is a expenditure. In this enter the profit and loss account. Discount allowed. 1300. Next wages. This enter the trading account debit side. Wages. Next sales. This enter the credit side in trading account. Sales by sales. Next salaries. This is not enter in the trading account. It is enter the profit and loss account. Traveling expenses. This is enter not trading account. This is enter the profit and loss account. Commission. It is the expenditure. This not enter the profit trading account. Carriage inward. Carriage is two types. One is carriage inward. Second one is carriage outward. Carriage inward enter trading account. Carriage outward enter profit and loss account debit side. Carriage inward 225. Next administration expenses. It is not enter the trading account. It is enter the profit and loss account. Trade expenses. This is not enter the trading account. Enter in profit and loss account. Interest. It is also expenditure. This enter the profit and loss account debit side. Building. This is not expenditure. asset. This enter the balance sheet, asset side. Furniture, it is also asset. It is enter the balance sheet, asset side. Creditors, debitors, this is also asset. It is enter the balance sheet, asset side. Creditors, it is also liability, enter in balance sheet, liability side. Capital, this is also enter the liability side. Cash, it is a asset. This enter the balance sheet, asset side. These all are over the in the problem. Next, outside the problem, stock as on. This is a closing stock. First enter the this outside items also enter two times. One is trading account or profit and loss account. Second one is balance sheet, liability side or asset side. This stock is closing stock. First enter the trading account, credit side, closing stock 6,000. This next enter the balance sheet, asset side. These all are items also over. Next U, trading account. Calculate the gross profit. First, all credit side items you added this total 36,000. This amount you enter, it's 36,000. In this all expenditures less, these all are in this debit side, all of amounts less this total. Remaining balance is gross profit. Remaining amount is gross profit. This gross profit is transferred to profit and loss account. This amount you enter profit and loss account by gross profit, credit side. Profit and loss account RAM for the year ended 31st March 2012. Profit and loss account also two sides. One is credit side, this is credit side. Debit side, this is debit side. Second one is credit side, this. Two sides. Credit side, debit side, you enter the all expenditures. Except enter in trading account items. In trading accounts enter these items. You not again enter in profit and loss account. Remaining all expenditure items enter in debit side. Any item you identify expenditure that enter in this side. Next, profit and loss account, credit side, you start the gross profit. Next, any income in the problem that is enter in this credit side. First, opening stock is already enter the trading account, not again in the center in this item. Purchases, this also enter trading account. Discount allowed, it is expenditure, enter the profit and loss account. This is not the enter trading account. Discount allowed. Next, wages. This already enter the trading account to debit side. Sales. This enter the trading account credit side. Traveling expenses. It is expenditure. It is not enter the trading account. This item is enter profit and loss account. Traveling expenditure. Next, commission. Commission is the expenditure. This is not enter the trading account. So enter in profit and loss account. Commission 425 to commission. Next, carriage inward. This already enter the trading account. So not enter in profit and loss account. Administration expenses. This also expenditure. This is not enter trading account. So enter in profit and loss account. Debit side. Administration expenditures. Next, trade expenses. It is also expenditure. It is not enter the trading account. So enter in profit and loss account debit side. Trading expenses. Next, interest. It is also expenditure. It is not enter the trading account. So it is enter in profit and loss account. Interest 250. Next, billing. It is not expenditure. This is also assets. So it is not enter the trading account. Furniture. It is also asset. This is not enter in profit and loss account. Debitors. It is also asset. It is not enter in profit and loss account. Creditors. It is liability. So it is not enter the profit and loss account. Capital. It is also liability. It is not enter the profit and loss account. Cash. It is also asset. It is not enter the profit and loss account. All items also over in the problem. Outside. No items in outside. This is already debit the enter the trading account credit side. Next, you calculate the profit and net profit. You base the this statement. First, you total credit side. Total. This amount is enter 7,475. In this amount, all expenditures less. These all are less this amount. Remaining balance is this net profit. This net profit you transfer to the capital account. Capital account is this. Add the net profit, add to the capital. This profit and loss account is over. Next, last statement, balance sheet. Balance sheet have two sides. One side is liabilities, another side is assets. Left side enter the liabilities, right side enter the assets in the balance sheet. This side left, this side right. Left side liabilities, right side asset. Any asset you identify in the problem, enter in this. Any liability you identify the problem, enter it. Balance sheet format. Balance sheet of ROM as on 31st March 2012. This only enter the liabilities and assets. No expenditures, no incomes. Opening stock. This is also already enter trading account. This is not asset. Purchases enter the trading account. Discount allowed enter the trading account. Wages enter the trading account. Sales enter the trading account. Salaries enter in profit and loss account. Traveling expenses enter the profit and loss account. Commission enter profit and loss account. Carriage inward enter trading account. Administration expenses enter profit and loss account. Trade expenses enter the profit and loss account. Interest enter the profit and loss account. Billing. Billing is the asset. This is not enter the profit and trading accounts. This is enter balance sheet, asset side, billing. Billing 5,000. Billing. Next, furniture. It is also asset. Enter the balance sheet, asset side. Furniture 200. Next, debitors. It is also asset. Collection of outsiders or users from the business. It is a asset, debitors. Debitors 4,250. Next, creditors. It is a liability. Payments of outsiders, borrowers. It is liability. Enter the liability side. Balance sheet of balance sheet. Creditors. Next, capital. Is enter the balance sheet liability side. Capital 30,000. This add to the net profit. Net profit. In this we calculated the net profit. This amount is add to capital. Add net profit. Any other drawings less this amount capital. In this problem is no drawings. Total is 15,395. Next, last one is cash. Cash is asset. This enter the balance sheet asset side. Cash 2045. Next, all items also over in this problem. Outside any items. Stock as on 31st 3 2012 was 6000. This is the opening closing stock. It is enter the balance sheet. Asset side closing stock 6000. All are over in the problem, inside and outside. Finally, you calculate the total assets and total liabilities. Total assets, total liabilities, total assets. These all are total. 17,495. This is also total. 17,495. These two amounts also equal. Assets equal to the liabilities. Your problem is correct. You not equal assets and liabilities total. Your problem is wrong. Some mistakes you calculate in the problem. So this problem is over. Thank you.